Hello, in today's video I'll tell you whether Samsung Galaxy A27 has antivirus. Yes, it does have antivirus. It even has two services that serve the purpose of an antivirus. And let me show you both of them. When I go to settings, I can go to security and privacy, and then find app security. Now, Google Play Protect is enabled by default, and it scans every app every day, and it also scans the apps each time you install an app. It scans it before you start installing it. You can click on scan to trigger a scan manually. You can see it has scanned all the apps and no harmful apps were found. You can click on the settings to adjust the settings of Play Protect, and you can also enable app protection, which is powered by McAfee. When you turn it on, you can from now on scan your phone. As you can see, it will take a moment for it to scan all the apps. Okay, and now it says in Mac is no threats were detected. You can also click on three dots in the top right corner in order to adjust whether you want to auto scan when installing apps and auto scan apps daily. I will leave that enabled, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.